Ekipi mladinskega centra Kotlovnica se je pridružila prostovoljka Avstra iz Latvije. Prejšnji petek je pripravila latvijski večer, na katerem je predstavila nekaj zanimivosti o sebi in svoji državi ter pripravila okusno latvijsko pogostitev.
So I will tell what my name means. It's from also have deep roots in Latvian language, and it means the protector of beauty and the precious. I have my own symbols. It's Auster's tree, and in Latvian it's a goddess. She's the sun's daughter. I came from here, from Latvia. It's quite far. If you are interested, it's like from my home, from Riga, it's 1,404 kilometers here to Kamnik.
Hey, Austra, you've been here in Kamnik for 3 weeks now. How do you feel?
Oh, I'm totally enjoying the time here. And today we had our Latvian evening here, and so I prepared Latvian food. I told about traditions what we have back home.
For example, I could say one story. My friend from Singapore came to Riga and he wanted to party and see the nightlife in Riga, and it was second day after those holidays, so we went out and almost all clubs were closed. Everybody was, there were only tourists on the streets. He was so surprised. Come on, it's a ghost city or what? Where's the people? And it was hard to explain. Everybody's out still celebrating the national holidays. And those holidays people sing and dance, light but fireplaces, and jump over them, make crowns from flowers. But the greatest wonder of Jaani is when the young couples look for the fern blossom. According to belief, the fern produces golden flower on this night. So many do find it. That's why no wonder no children are born at end of the March in Latvia.
How big is Latvia? How high is Latvian mountains? As we all know, it's not that high as it's here in Slovenia.
Here in Slovenia, of course, the mountains are 9 times higher and a half. So you can understand why I'm so amazed about the mountains, and for me it's crazy how high they are here.
V mladinskem centru Kotlovnica bo Avstra delala na projektu Create Your Space, ki poteka v okviru Evropske prostovoljne službe iz programa Mladi v akciji. Več o projektu nam je povedala kar sama.
I will redecorate a whole Kurilnica. I will design also the first hallway, and the second one, for now on it's totally white, but for that I think it should be presentation of all workshops that are going on, one of the musician workshops, the second one is the clue art things, and the third one is the photo club. I was at this week and the photo club opening exhibition, so I'm happy to see here that everything here is in high level. So I will try to do it as well in high level, everything what I do here.
You're also an artist. What's the most inspiring thing that you've experienced here in Kamnik so far?
For me it's almost everything. The nature, the people I've met here. When I came here, I thought, oh my God, how I can live without cats. But when I moved in, actually the cats were waiting for me at the front of the doors, 2 cats. So for now on, I have a pet already here, and that's kind of inspiration for me as well. If I want something, it really happens. I just have to go for it and let it happen. So I let the cat who waited for me move in this week. The idea is I don't have to work hard on them. They are just up in the sky. In the air, I can catch them. And if I will be opened all the time, they will just fly in my head.
Latvia, sound in Latvia sounds natural.
Latvia sounds like fun.
Latvia sounds like business.
Latvia sounds fantastic.
Nothing else sounds like Latvia. Latvia.